Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a oil pastel painting and using these from Meeden. They're soft oil pastels. I've got a whole box, all these colors. Plus an extra box of white. I'm going to be doing a northern light painting. I also have this storage drawer set that I got from Meeden that I have right beside me in case I need stuff from the drawers. I probably will need these here. These are what you blend the pastels with. They're also from Meeden. Where are they? Yeah, I keep them in these drawers. I think I have one more here. I also have some tape in that. I have some palette knives also that you use in case you want to scrape some of the oil pastels away to make different techniques. So I'm pretty sure I might be using one or two of those. Yeah, I keep this beside me. I keep paints in there, all kinds of different things. I've got my brushes for the watercolor paintings, watercolor pencils. Yeah, it's pretty handy. I love it. So I'll get all set up. I'm using, where is it here? Just some cardstock for this. I've got one already, where is it? I've got one already taped on a board. It's like a cutting board, but I'm using it for taping my paper on. So that's that. Also I've got paper towel handy in case I want to use that to blend the colors. And I don't know if I'll need white. I'll just leave them up there. I will get ready. I don't know if I think I'm going to be doing it this way. Okay, I'm going to set up and I'll be back. I also wanted to mention if you would like to buy any of Meeden products that I'm showing here today. Whoops. I have a coupon code in the description below my video for 12% off your total order. And I have a link to Meeden's website. So have a look around, see what you like. It's Christmas, so it would be great for a last minute Christmas gift. All right. Okay, I'm back. I've got my colors picked out. They don't have the colors written on them. They're just numbered. And then I guess you compare them to the swatch that you have here. They're just numbered. What I do so I know what I'm getting, like what color I'm getting, is I just have a little piece of paper that I test out to see what they look like on paper. So that helps me. I've got a piece of paper here that I just tore to make my mountain range. I'll show you what I'm going to do with that after. But first of all, I'm going to start with some of the colors. I'm going to be using green and yellow. I might throw in some purple. I don't know if I'm going to use any other color. Just let me see here. maybe. We'll see how it looks. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm just roughly adding the color to the paper. I wanted to add yellow. I think I'm gonna add some yellow over top of the pink. And also over here. This is the sky color. I had to come back and redo something on it. I didn't like the way it was, I finished it.